duka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya Nchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntubwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati enda usialia utagete showroom yeto nigo ere enkale eyuerengi go eko chingaki ogo bati ntubwate etime tembo mu ase showroom babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende gensi uragania bagotebereria company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama bati ali aye chigage emerongebere na Isano na Isano babwate tile profiles alia au oriental, elegantal, versatile grows na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chena Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabonelia chako gray, brick red, tile red, maroon, sky blue na boigo na green obutambe gwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa kasure asubwango eduke liga ya ouru superstores yego toka se enyumba ya ouru complex imeyumucho yigo busongo eyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Uya kegima mwancho muri Getembe TV mugasomu ya werit kerigari ara hamis chitariki 13 mutyenyino ye 11 mwaka no yubwekiri ubere 2025 nigo cyaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere cyabona mubaso chinga kito ikirase mese Ekeonga tokoretera maya bunagendera tawatega korwa imene isko yoragongorwa gusi kurense meri abacheno ensemo yitsemi ensemo ya siasa ni Chinsa Njengro kwa Catherine Nyaboga, Vanessa Nyaboga, kwa somo na woi manyererio. Mike Whis, kwa studio akavunero kone kevuna TV chechi, na boi ga Mario Gingo, ikirachira senchira ya wekirano. Ikaranso ike obena into goika omoero, asense meria YouTube, na otore buna Getembe TV, Facebook, na otore boi ga buna Getembe TV, kendra koba na into, na boi ga kobuati ya emero birionsi. Toko chaka, taribi kora birebia, na boi ga biabutambe, asichia mate chinyinge imeyensi ya Kenya. Korende gatichi family, niko chia berechi konyo rono mochando bugo siria abancho babo n'abasuba chinga kyakiri bako gonkia sineba nabo abana bo bako gongo bako bagosira bono ritskure rero barasa yaba governor nigo yachaka igikaro ekikore kirengete kurigirira chinchera barakore amakweri chingaki abasubati bako gonkia
colleague governors, development partners, civil society organizations, the faith-based organizations present, the private sector, national and county governments officials present, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is a great honor to host you all during this momentous event as we officially launch the Inter-County Maternal and Perinatal Death Surveillance and Response Initiative. Today's gathering is more than a launch. It's a powerful affirmation of our collective duty, our shared resolve, and our unwavering belief in the right to life and the right to health and the dignity of every woman and newborn in all our 47 counties. Ladies and gentlemen, Kenya continues to face an urgent challenge. Our maternal mortality ratios remain above the SDG 3 target of 70 per 100,000 live births. And the neonatal mortality stands at 21 per 1,000 live births. While progress has been made, these statistics remind us that too many mothers and babies still die from causes that we know are preventable. Behind each number is a family profoundly affected, a community shaken, and a future cut short. We also know that the MPDSR is one of the most strategic and transformative interventions for reducing these deaths. Counties have invested significantly in maternal and newborn health through improved staffing, strengthened emergency referral systems, facility upgrades, and enhanced community-level services. Yet the implementation of this response has remained uneven, limited to times by systematic gaps, weak feedback mechanism, fragmented learning loops, and insufficient inter-county coordination. Ladies and gentlemen, the response initiative has been a cornerstone in our county's effort to address preventable deaths amongst our most vulnerable population, that is our mothers and our newborns.
Barasa gusebi karobye barasebyo biara wanero mugavana we county ya Nandi omoske Stephen Sang nigo bakwanera mubarabwa basubate obasire magima abo bakogonge asikinya gitari korochi county imeyensi ya Kenya ensemo yende nigo bakwanera amakongo akwerera amakweri ayo nabo igo ebitambukiro bayimukire erigo kyani amakweri ayo.
This has been realized through activation of MPDSR committees as evidenced by our facilities such as Kiambu Level 5 Hospital, which in 7 months reported 0 maternal deaths through the initiative. Others include several public hospitals in counties such as Machakos and Homa Bay. Despite the successes realized by county governments through prioritization of health has demonstrated by investment of an average of 30% of the resources received by the exchequer in the health departments, the following challenges persist. Number 1 is limited health financing for county governments from the exchequer, coupled up with donor transitions in strategic disease programs. Number 2, the transition from the Linda Mama program to a more complex SHA system has restricted access to maternal health care services. Further, a significant number of primary health care facilities are yet to receive their PHC funds.
Togo skabosyo abaraina babugatani bekiama gya ODM nigo imambieri tukoria rero nga Chinsa isatu n'inusu bachake sabari gocha ekaunti ya Mombasa bosibu mojega omonene ugocengera emyaka 20 yakoba wekiama ekyo mwanje murigere no mojega orakorekane ase amatuko atatu abara yabo gati yabo mugavana Gladys Wanga mugavana Paul Simbarati nabo igo Junet Mohamed nigo balina egari yomoro ya SG mambia rero na nigo baraite ange Chinsa Isano na Ibere nenu sugosti nenusu chumubaso orero barebo nigo bairera aria bagochia gochengera ase kirenge kenene kere kumunyora na komwa maskani moske Raila Odinga na nigo ritsko osedi nigo rero maragoba baratia ni Oburu Odinga buna umuraibene bwekia mekyo ange nigo baratu haro umuyega bwa basaina boiga bangina na boiritko ya jomose nigo baratu are umuyega umonene urakorekane ase ensemeyo ya Mombasa segetigia mama ngina na boigo nigo umuyego yo oraikirano nero muraibwense Daktari wa Samuel Ruto una oyomo wegatia baraiwari bachagitikia mekyo.
La moshi imeng'oa nanga kutoka Nairobi tunaelekea Mombasa. Kuna watu maelfu wamefika Mombasa tayari. Hii gari la moshi SGR tuko na watu wengi sana. Tuko na wafuasi wengi sana wako kwa coaches nyingi sana na hii train tuko nayo specifically for the ODM delegation. Tunaenda Mombasa kuangalia maisha ya kiongozi wetu Baba Raila Amolo Odinga. Mahali ametoka na sisi, mahali amefika na sisi na tunaenda wapi? How do we protect Baba's legacy? How do we stand on that legacy?
Siku ya leo tukifika saa nane nusu, saa 10 tutakuwa na kikao maalum ya National Governing Council ya chama kuidhinisha kiongozi wetu mpya Raila anaitwa Dr. Oburu Odinga na wanachama wengine. Sasa baada hiyo tunaenda mapumziko. Siku ya pili Ijumaa tutakuwa na sherehe ya wamama, tutakuwa na sherehe ya vijana, tutakuwa na sherehe concert ya youth jioni usiku. Then siku ya Jumamosi tutakuwa katika Mama Ngina Drive kufanya sherehe kubwa East Africa ambayo hajawahi onekana. East Africa itakuwa na watu zaidi ya 50,000 kutoka Kenya nzima, wafuasi wa ODM. Jioni sasa tutakuwa na mulo, chakula maalum ambaye itaongozwa na Rais wa Jamhuri wa Kenya President William Ruto kama mwanzilishi, founder member wa ODM, na ataungana na wale founder members wengine ambao walianzisha hii chama mwaka wa 2005 baada ya referendum ya chungwa na ndizi. Then siku ya Jumapili tutakuwa na ibada maalum interdenominational prayer katika Ronald Ngala grounds huko Kilifi, ambaye president pia atakuwa na wafuasi wetu pia watakuwa.
Mimi nashukuru kwamba leo imefika na ile safari tulikuwa tumeanza ya kusherehekea miaka 20 ya chama cha ODM. Vile vile kwa bahati mbaya baba akalala, lakini tumeamua kusherehekea maisha aliyoishi na kwa chama alichoanzisha. Na sisi huu tunashikilia katika wakati wetu kuhakikisha kwamba chama kimeenda mbele. Hii safari ya Mombasa ni mfano thabiti kuhakikisha kwamba ni vipi vyama vitaweza kuzwa, na tunaomba hata zile vyama zingine muige, mtakapofika miaka kama hii msherekee. Lakini cha muhimu, sisi kama chama tumekaa katika opposition kwa miaka kama mimi nimekuwa katika chama hiki miaka 18 nikiwa nimechaguliwa. Nataka niseme kwamba sisi lazima tutahakikisha tumeshinda kura ambazo zinakuja 2027.
Togo skabosio buni nchira yamo yogo sireviewa na wego chitaranta ritkuregoro nigo Michael Daudi manduku ariganetiwe asibikarobia Senate matukumake magega yokorawa ose yoko chorabuna umunyankonko no muraiwense muske Daktari wa Samuel Ruto kumwarigania ase Senate senator omochora omoske esio kenyura nyeni ni gato geti omukyoye asogo segeta basae kubeko mukia ase chitaranta na boigo ebiago bia.
Honorable Senators, I would like to acknowledge the presence in the Speaker's Gallery this afternoon of Mr. David Manduku Michael, who is in Senate on a courtesy call to Senator Esther Okenyuri. Honorable Senators, Mr. Manduku Michael is a multifaceted artist, life coach, environmental conservationist, and a humanitarian. Recognize his innate talent in art. Mr. Manduku began harnessing his skills in painting, pencil drawings, and soapstone carvings. Since 2010, he has used his artistic abilities to inspire and mentor underprivileged youths who have not had the opportunity to pursue higher education. He's a founder of Precious Plastic Kisii, a groundbreaking enterprise that transforms plastic waste into valuable products. This youth-led initiative focuses on waste management, training, and sustainable solutions to combat plastic pollution. His efforts in environmental conservation earned him recognition as a community ambassador in 2018, championing climate change awareness and supporting sustainable projects such as borehole drilling, protecting natural water springs, and providing housing and livestock to needy families. In our usual tradition of receiving and welcoming visitors to Parliament, I extend a warm welcome to him, and on my own behalf and on behalf of the Senate, wish him a fruitful visit.
I wish to take this opportunity to welcome to the Senate Daudi Manduku, a young man from Sameta Mukwerero Ward in Bovasi constituency, Kisii County. And this young man has been making very good artistic products from soapstone, which I deem a strategic mineral from South Mogrango, Kisii. And Madam Speaker, he has not only been making artistic products, but he has also exhibited innovation by transforming plastic waste into valuable products. And as a result of this, he was specially recognized by the National Heroes Council by being awarded for his works. The awardees were just considered and honored by the President in our last national celebration. Madam Speaker, as we celebrate him, I encourage Kenyan youth to make innovation their DNA, utilize their skills, and contribute to solutions which are facing this country, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, be it from fashion, digital art, design, technology, so many others. So Kenyan youth have a potential, and Michael up here, who's just visited us, is a testament that the youth indeed have what it takes to transform our country. I thank you, Madam Speaker.
Mwancho murigiriria na radio kuri Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere sinchira yobungi kurendi chikuraga ikomi tuirenega iga tokaretera yomuna yanda sinchira yobungi boigo tuaro burigiri burobyo.
Eduka y'obumo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentra nigwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabatinu buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wekabunuraganye bwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwekirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire biasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuyigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank basamange bakire singwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Oru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Welcome to Timiza School, where excellence is nurtured and dreams come alive. Located along Kisii Highway at